Orege Miario ya gwetha wuiguano wa kiuteti hari kihiri kia maundu maria makoretwo macungiriirie ndugamano ya kiuteti bururi-ini ni iringire ihiga kurumirira ndugamano njeru iria yumiritie gatagati ka miehu yeri ya kiuteti bururi-ini undu uria macungiriirie guikaniria miario igie nu ukoretwo ari muhinga hari miario ino. Azimio la umoja makinyanirie gutiganiria mieri ino kwa ihinda ria thiku 7 ciukite kuumana na kiria maugite ni kungathia gwa Kenya Kwanza kuhingia mamwe ma maundu maria maiguithaniirio ta kuigua wega kwa mitambo ya kamiti ya IEBC undu uria Kenya Kwanza atianiirie kiugo ucio ti wira wao na nikio matangiuhingia.
Today we've had lengthy discussions. We also had them last week on the 4 issues that we had requested. Our colleagues have refused to concede to any of those interim measures, which has led us to the conclusion that they are not negotiating in good faith.
As Kenya Kwanza, we are more than ready and willing, first and foremost, to take up the issue of IEBC, because this country is operating as we speak without an electoral body, and there is no way this can go on for too long.
Magi ma maundu maria Azimio ekuruhanitie Kenya Kwanza na kwaga kuhingia ni gwetha njira ya naihenya ya kunyihia garama ya muturire, kurugamia mihango ya gwetha makamishna eru a kamiti ya IEBC undu mwena tiganirie kuingirira ciama ingi cia kiuteti ta kiama kia Jubilee, mothe maria Kenya Kwanza atianiirie kiuga ni ihariirie kuhingia maria ingihota kiwatho.
We will get nowhere even with the substantive issues that our colleagues are not negotiating in good faith. That, together with the fact that their team, in terms of the subcommittee on IEBC, was not ready, has caused us to invoke our framework agreement.
The issue of servers is squarely in the hands of IEBC. And IEBC are the commissioners. It is not the clerks in that office, it is not the junior staff, it is not even the CEO. So if we are to discuss the issue of preservation of servers, this must be directed to the commissioners of IEBC.
Wa kwihiriria ni gukorwo kamiti nini iria irobitwo kwendekithia njira itiganite cia guthondeka weru kamiti ya IEBC ndiri yagia na giikaro kia hamwe ona thengia wa gukorwo igutanyitwo kuheana riboti yayo muthi niguo miario ino ithie na mbere.
We expected a report from that subcommittee, but we did not get a report today because Senator Sifuna, who's here, who was convening, reported to the plenary that while his report was ready, the report of our colleagues on the other side was not ready. So we could not receive that report, unfortunately.
So the committee has not been able to meet, but that notwithstanding, we believe that Azimio side has its issues ready because they were raising this even before this bipartisan talks committee was formed. These issues, they must have them ready and we would require them communicated so that we prepare a response.
Ni kuumana na maundu maya Azimio yaniriire gutiganiria mieri ino kwa ihinda niguo kuhe mweke wa kwaraniria na kuheo mwerekera mweru ni atongoria ao. Riri Kenya Kwanza ithiite na mbere kuhinyiriria ati mieri ino no irathie na mbere kuonao ni mehariirie.
Refusal to concede to any of these interim measures which look logical to us means then that we have irreconcilable difference on a fundamental issue. And we've chosen to invoke Article 37. We've already done the notice as the co-chair, suspending these talks for 7 days until and unless our principles or ourselves, we might then reach a different conclusion. Because we believe that if we go this way, then we are giving false hope to Kenyans.
Our side, we do not agree there is any stalemate whatsoever.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitago Mohura, Wagunya.